In this video, I'm going to show you how to track email open rates with Folk CRM and why this tool is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their email campaigns. If you're new to Folk CRM, stick around till the end because I'll not only walk you through the features that let you track open rates effectively, but I've also got an exclusive offer that gives you an extended free trial. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about why email open rates matter. Knowing how many people are opening your emails is essential for understanding the success of your campaigns. If your open rates are low, it means your subject lines, timing, or even your content might need adjustments. Folk CRM makes it super simple to track these metrics, so you can quickly pivot and improve your email strategies. When you log into Folk CRM, the interface is designed to be clean and intuitive. You'll immediately notice a dashboard where you can see a comprehensive overview of your contacts and email campaigns. One of the key features here is the email tracking functionality that automatically tracks whether your emails have been opened. To track email open rates in Folk CRM, all you need to do is integrate your email provider with the platform. Whether you're using Gmail or another email service, Folk CRM supports integrations that make this step quick and painless. Once set up, you'll be able to see detailed reports on each email you send, including who opened it, when, and even how many times. What's amazing about Folk CRM is its ability to track not just the open rates, but also the level of engagement. So if you're wondering if people are clicking on links within your email, you'll get those insights as well. This is especially useful for refining your email content, understanding your audience better, and tweaking future campaigns for higher engagement. The email open rate tracking in Folk CRM is also incredibly useful for segmentation. Based on how your contacts interact with your emails, you can create targeted follow-up campaigns. For example, if someone opens your email but doesn't click a link, you can send them a follow-up email with more information or a stronger call to action. This leads to higher conversion rates and better results from your email efforts. Another standout feature is the real-time notification system. Whenever someone opens your email, you'll get a notification that provides insight into their behavior. This helps you stay on top of your campaigns and act fast if you need to follow up with a specific lead or contact. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to get started with Folk CRM. You can use it for free through our exclusive link in the description below. This gives you access to all the features, including email tracking and more. Plus, if you sign up now, you'll get an extended free trial that will let you explore all the software's functionalities without any commitment. One last thing I want to point out is Folk CRM's focus on automation. As you track your email open rates and other behaviors, you can set up automated workflows to nurture leads and keep your email marketing streamlined. This can save you hours of manual work and help you scale your email efforts. So, to recap, Folk CRM allows you to track email open rates effortlessly and provides valuable insights into your email campaigns. The easy integrations, real-time notifications, and automation features make it a top tool for anyone serious about improving their email marketing strategy. And don't forget, you can try it for free with our exclusive bonus link below. Go ahead and click the link to start your free trial today and see how Folk CRM can take your email marketing to the next level.